और ये मुसलमान करते हैं ना, द अमाउंट ऑफ अब्यूज, अमाउंट ऑफ स्लैंडर, अमाउंट ऑफ टॉन्ट्स एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ हेट्रेड आई फेल्ट फॉर मुस्लिम्स इनसाइड कांग्रेस. मेरा मुंह मत खुलवाइए अभिषेक जी. द वे दे ट्रीट मुस्लिम्स, nobody will want to hear. BJP on the other hand, I am Muslim, but I get maximum number of platform to do PC, to articulate my voice.
तो वहाँ रोकते थे क्या कांग्रेस में?
सर ऐसा है, मैंने कभी किसी को बताया नहीं. I was young and talented. I was to speak well that time also. मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ था as national spokesperson through a system that they had devised that test करके body language, content, research. I came number 1. But Ajay Makan and Randeep Surjewala, today I am taking the names, both of them ran a complete conspiratorial campaign and they ensured that I was never made national spokesperson. That Randeep Surjewala and all those people whose papas were friends with Rahul's papa, they became, and apart from that, they used to call up television channels. They did not have control. At that time Arnab was in Times Now.
Yeah.
And they used to have a tricky equation with Times Now, so they never did this with Times Now or with Arnab, or they could not do it. But they used to call media channels and they used to say, इस शहजाद को तुमने बुलाया ना चैनल पे, तो हम आपके
for their own party spokesperson.
Not even for their own party spokesperson. That time they did not allow me to become spokesperson. But if I would go as a pro-Congress voice, as a lawyer, etc. In a TV debate, you know, there is one Congress, one BJP, one articulating pro-Congress or India alliance side, one articulating pro-NDA side, who are not spokespersons. They used to threaten the channels that if you call this boy, then we will ban your channel and you wait and watch.
Okay.
And this is when young Muslim voices should have been pushed, no?
Understood. So before I go to BJP and to the way they treat young leaders and Muslim in the context that you have raised, let me just make one last question on Rahul Gandhi. He makes some comments which are obviously embarrassing. Like he made the comment on एक शक्ति है हिंदू धर्म में. Now it is left for others to sort of clear the mess. So what goes on in the mind of the likes of Pawan Khera or Surjewala or others now, Supriya Srinath even.
उनका तो खुद का अलग mess create कर देते हैं.
Yeah, she has.
Supriya is creating her own mess.
But then in the role that they have of defending Rahul Gandhi, have you ever in your conversations with these people, you would be bumping into them socially? Do they say, "Oh, what mess this guy creates"? Do you feel that sense of frustration in the Congress leaders? Because he creates a mess and we have to sort it out.
I don't want to disclose too much, but since it's a podcast and थोड़ा खुला होकर बोलना है, कांग्रेस वाले आज भी मुझे मैसेज करते हैं. वो मुझे मैसेज करके बोलते हैं कि भाई साहब हम क्या करें, हम क्या करें, हमसे नहीं हो पा रहा है. And they are telling me on almost weekly basis because every 1 week you have a new self goal. अभी आपने जो बताया, तो वाराणसी के यूथ को जब इन्होंने नशेड़ी बोल दिया राहुल गांधी ने, या ऐश्वर्या वाली जो टिप्पणी की, या जो ये इस प्रकार की हरकतें करते हैं, या मनरेगा का वो कह रहे थे कि मनरेगा माफ़ नहीं किया, जबकि मनरेगा इज़ नॉट कर्ज. तो इस प्रकार से जो या शक्ति का जो उन्होंने बयान दिया कि हिंदू धर्म में शक्तियाँ मुझसे लड़ाई कर रहे हैं, तो पीपल कॉल मी एंड मैसेज मी. आई हैव मैसेजेस ऑल्सो. आई कांट डिस्क्लोज ऑब्वियसली, नॉट डोंट मेक मी डू दैट, बट आई हैव मैसेजेस ऑल्सो एंड फ्रॉम टॉप पीपल. And they are embarrassed. But then I ask them, आप क्यों रहते हैं वहाँ पे, आप क्यों मुझे गद्दार बोलते थे जब मैंने छोड़ा, why you called me गद्दार? तो they say that look, we are not, Congress is not a party. Congress is like a company. We have shareholding in this company.